Hi guys, welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video I will show you how we could turn or make a hard drive disk from being a computer internal hard disk into an external portable hard disk, which you can use it for storing external data and using it as a backup or whatsoever. So first of all, make sure to have your hard disk in hand. This one is M.2. You might have different size. So this is the model of the hard disk. So if you are unsure, go to your model of the hard disk and Google it. If you have an SSD, do the same, and make sure to buy a USB adapter for the specific. So this one is 2.5. Let's say yours is 3.5. So you need to type USB adapter for 3.5. So make sure to purchase the exact correct adapter box. In this case, 2.5 hard disk, 2.5 box. Next step, I have here the box, which is underhand. And here I have the cable and I have the case. Next step, long side, short side, short side. Plug simply. Open the protective case, the face up, and close it. Plug it to your computer and you are able to access the data and you are able to use it as an external portable hard disk. Thank you guys for watching and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.